Okay, so if you're watching this video and if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, promoting different offers, then what you can do is you can reach out to me after watching this video. So if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, running different ads on Google, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and actually getting the results that you want to, right? So what you can do is subscribe to my channel, and below this video I'll have the option for you where you can reach out to me personally, and I will personally help you to start having the results you desire online. Because you need to remember, you need to have someone who will mentor you and help you along the way and coach you so that you can get the results that you want, and also move forward in life and basically choose the right offers that you can promote as an affiliate, and doing all these running ads, promoting offers, building landing pages, right? All these important aspects of affiliate marketing. So you do need to have someone who will guide you and help you along the way, right? So that you can go and do what you want. So subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally.